Hey there. In this video, I'm going to show you how to label a graph and print it for our lab results. And so here, what I'm going to do, I have connected to the computer into a LabQuest Mini a UVB probe. So I'm going to start pressing collect, and you should see in line, so it's collecting every second. And I haven't gotten my probe up to the light yet. So I'm going to put it down here, and I'm going to bring it closer to the light, and then you'll see as I brought it closer to the light, the amount of UVB should increase. And now I'm going to take it away. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to stop data, and I want to show you guys how to analyze this data. The information that we're most interested in is this. Let's just say, for some reason, this is the information that we're most interested in. I'm going to draw, I'm going to take my little X here, and I'm going to highlight this information. If I don't like it, I can start over. Let's say I want it to be exactly right there, and to exactly right there. And then I'm going to press Stats. Stats is going to give me all of the information that I need. So for some of our labs, when we wait for a plateau out, if we're looking for pH or dissolved oxygen, we're going to be looking for our mean. Here, we're not necessarily looking for anything. So this is how we get stats. If we want to move this around, we just, oopsie, let's do that again. Let's bring the little hand up, and then we can move it. And then if I want to, let's say, make a little note here to indicate that this is before our sensor was where it's supposed to be. I'm going to go up to Insert. And Insert, I'm going to put Text Annotation. I'm going to move this, and we can say curve before probe. And here we have our annotation. Let's start modifying the graph itself. So we're going to double click. I'm going to go to Graph Options, and we're not going to label the axes because when we use these probes, they usually come with the right label axes. But we only have data up until about 150, so let's change the scale of our data, and that's going to be from, let's go to 200, from 0 to 200. Press X, and so you see we have data only to 200. Go back to Graph Options. We only have data to about 50, so let's change this from 0 to 75. Great. Now we're going to put a graph title on here. We're going to right click again, Graph Options. We're going to title, let's just say UVB, and okay. When I go to print, so now we have a graph title, our axes are labeled, our axes are scaled the way we want them to be. We have information. Let's say I want just information about the greatest amount of UVs. I'm going to highlight this and then press Stats again. And wait for the hand and move it over. Now, to put your name on this, we're going to go to File and Print Graph. On Print Graph, it says name. So my name, Kay Gobbin. If it's two people, make sure you put both of your names on there. And so we're going to label this UVB